What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, it is just a what sold video. What's selling for me on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Market. We're gonna pull orders, pack them, ship them, get them out of here. Let's go. First item that's sold are gonna be right here in my clothes. This is where I put all my clothes. I got these Wrangler overalls at Kohl's. I paid $7 for these, and I sold them for $25 plus shipping. That was my only sale on Poshmark. On eBay, I got 4 orders going out. We'll start off with these Lululemon pants. They sold, or shorts, they sold for $18 plus shipping. They will be right here. This is where I leave all my shorts. I think they were, yep, right here. Lululemon, I got these at the flea market on my recent video for $5. Next order is going to be this Under Armour sweater. Sold it for $30 plus shipping, and I got it at the same place where I got the overalls. So at Kohl's, they were having that one sale. If I'm not mistaken, it should be right here. Brand new with tags. I believe I paid $7 also. That's a good sale right there. This next sale is really cool. It's a vintage Speedy Gonzalez shirt. As you can see, I sold it for $10 plus shipping. And I got this at Goodwill for $1.99. It's right here. It's like a tourist or a tour t-shirt for Cozumel, Mexico. Pretty cool. It's on a vintage tag. Pretty cool story on this next sale. There's a lot of Bakugans. I don't know how to explain it. Whoever knows what Bakugan is knows that they're pretty cool. You need the whole playing field and all that, but I sold that for $12 and I got them for free. My sister actually cleans houses. Oh, I think I actually have them in here. And the owner was gonna donate all these toys from their kids and stuff. So I told her, well, I'll keep them instead of throwing them away or donating them, and I'll sell them. But free money, basically. Moving on to Depop sales. Check out my last video if you haven't. I sold 2 shirts. I believe I sold one for $13 and the other one was $17. Let's go ahead and pack those up. The first one, the Tommy one, should be around here. Oh, here it is. It's this vintage Tommy polo. Got it for $1. Actually, you know what? It was half off, so 50 cents I actually got that one for. And then I picked up this Carhartt shirt for $2 at Goodwill for $1.99. Pretty good profits. I'm telling you guys, do not sleep on Depop. I make 1 or 2 sales here and there, but they add up over time. Next sale is a vintage t-shirt. Sold this one for $20. It is vintage Red Hot Chili Pepper shirt. It's on the vintage heavyweight. It is size medium. I feel like if it was a size large or XL, probably could have got 30 for this, but paid only $1 at the Goodwill bins. And we just got a eBay order just come in. It is a Smash Bros Nintendo Switch, just the case, and I sold for $8.99. And that was part of the house that my sister cleaned, so I got it for free. Believe it. Sorry, I needed 2 hands to find this game, but right there, it's just a case, no game, but free money. All right, guys, it is the next day, and I thought we were gonna have a bad start to the weekend sales because yesterday was not the best, but I was definitely wrong. Let's go ahead and jump onto today's sales. Today's Sunday sales. Let's go. All right, we got a total of 9 sales for $417.50. First sale is going to be these Hey Dude shoes. They sold for $35 plus shipping. We go to shoes, and I believe there they are. It's gonna be these. I think I paid $4 or $5 for these. The next sale is also some shoes. These sold for $22 plus shipping. I took a best offer. And they're right here. Some Zoom Pegasus, very clean. I paid $7.99 at Goodwill. Lucky brand jeans do very good for me. These Billy Straight jeans sold for 20 bucks. Picked these up for $4, I believe. Yeah, $4. They're right. Oh, one more under right here. Next item going out is gonna be this Marucci, whatever it's called. It's a baseball bat. I picked this up for $2.99. Yeah, $2.99 at Goodwill, and I sold it for 55 bucks plus shipping. This next sale is probably the best sale of the weekend that I had, and it is some ink. If you don't know about ink, learn it, especially HP ink and these big boxes ones. I sold this for 80 plus shipping, and I only picked it up for $2 at a garage sale. I was actually very surprised when I found it. And let me go ahead and go to the computer and show you that it sold for 80 bucks plus shipping. Right there. Best sale of the week. I got two more shoes going out. These Hokas right here. I picked these up for $7.99. And then these Brooks also sold right here. I picked these up for $5 at a garage sale. Let me go ahead and show you what they sold for. The Hokas right there sold for 45 bucks plus shipping, and the Brooks sold for 35 bucks plus shipping. So pretty good profit on those. Right, the last sale on eBay was this Titleist iron. I sold for 18 bucks plus shipping, and it is this one right here. Pretty cool one. I got a whole bunch of clubs for only $1.99 at Goodwill. It was like 6 or 7 of them. It was a mix of Ping and Titleist and Callaway, but pretty good profits on this one. On Poshmark, I had 2 orders only. I sold these Vionic sandals that I only picked up for $4 also at my favorite thrift store in Dripping Springs. They're right here. Really clean. I don't remember if they were new. No, they weren't new, but they were super clean, almost like new. And Vionic sells very good, especially on sandals. Next sale was a shirt. Sold it for $22. It's a FootJoy. If I'm not mistaken, I think I had 2 striped ones, but I think it's this one. Yeah, this one right here. Very clean. It does not have no patches on the shoulders or anything like that. And it's a pretty good size. It's a size large. Moving on to Mercari. Mercari hasn't been great for me, but I'm glad I at least got a couple of sales off this weekend. These Merrell shoes I sold for $27. And they are right here. Paid 10 bucks for these. Thought they were gonna sell better, but I'm glad to see them go. Actually very clean also. The other sale on Mercari were these Zoom Pegasus shoes, and they sold for 40 bucks. Took longer than what I normally would have had them. I think these have been in my store for like 3 months. Picked these up for 10 bucks at the flea market. Like I said, I'm glad to see them go. The last sale on Mercari were these motocross sports pants, and I sold these for 35 bucks. I picked these up for 7 bucks at a garage sale. I think they are right here actually. Yep, right here. Like I said, picked these up for 7 bucks. Not the best profit, but nevertheless, I love a good sale. On Facebook, I had 6 sales. First one going now is going to be this vintage Wolf Nature sweater right here. Picked this up for $2 at a storage garage sale. I know it kind of sounds weird, but it was a storage unit, but they're having a garage sale for everything inside. Like I said, I paid $2 and I sold that for 25 plus shipping. Next sale were these Ariat combat boots right here. Paid $5 for these, and they sold for 35 bucks plus shipping. As you guys can see, I bought a lot of the motocross jerseys and stuff, but the next one that sold is actually right here. I picked up this one for $5 and it sold for $25. Sold these Birkenstocks right here for $20. I was kind of having a hard time trying to guess the size on these, but after quite a little bit, I figured out they were size 40, and I was able to list them, and they sold. So they actually sold in like 2-3 days after I listed those. A sale that I had for this weekend are these Teva sandals. Paid 50 cents for these at a garage sale like 2-3 months ago, but it's starting to get hot outside, so now these are gonna start flying out. As you can tell, sandals. Sold these $10. All right, guys, that's all the orders I had this weekend. I'll go ahead and leave the exact amount of how much I made and all that here. Pretty good weekend. I've been having consistent weekends this whole past 2 months. It's been very busy. I'm glad. I've been posting a lot, I've been thrifting a lot, and I've been actually staying busy doing my soccer coaching stuff. So anyways, guys, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.